Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I present to you the Sportscast Coca-Cola ceiling fan. A 44-inch fan with an integrated light kit, ball socket mount, and with its specialty Coca-Cola globe with its blades, the Coca-Cola bottle blades. This fan is dated either January of 2000 or January of 1999 because there are two stickers on top of the motor housing that says 1/00 and 1/99. Don't know which one to believe, so but those are the stickers on the fan. I got this fan off of eBay. I've been searching for one of these fans for a while, ever since I've seen them all on YouTube. I've seen one of these in person before, but the one I've seen in person well, this one's not my childhood one I've seen in person. The one that I've seen in person is one that has a detachable light kit, so you can use a switch cap. And as you see, this one has an integrated light kit, but it's still a pretty cool fan. All right, turn the light on. I have this fan like actually installed, like the light socket over there, because the old light socket broke. I'll just show you that real quick. I was trying to replace a light bulb and it just completely snapped, so I had to replace it. I don't have any extra light sockets available. Still on low speed. I have both the original pull chain extensions, but I took the one off the light chain because this light is normally going to be on all the time, so there's no reason for it to be off. But of course it's going to be off for this video just for testing purposes. Have it running on updraft because it's pretty cold out here, so it's just circulating air upwards. You don't really see these fans much often anymore. I know there's one spot somewhere in Illinois, in the McDonald's, they have two Coke ceiling fans, but they're more of a contemporary model. It has it's five blades with the Coke blades. It's like a top mount spinner, and then with a light at the bottom. Those are probably the only two Coke fans I've known to exist. Those type of fans and this fan. Medium. I know there are different models of this specific fan. There's the ones like this one, the ones with the detachable light kit, and then ones with a flush mount adaptable canopy. The ones with the flush mount canopy, the motor housing is pretty small. It's very smaller than this one. If I could get a flush mount fan in this spot, I would put one in there. I do have a few flush mount options fans for this spot, but I want this Coke fan to be out here on display. And high speed. And it's not a Coke fan without a wobble. This fan does wobble. But due to the fact that some of the blade screws are not matching, some of them are kind of off, but oh well. I can feel a small breeze. This is definitely not the best fan for air movement, but it is moving some air. And spin down. These bearings were kind of stiff when I got this fan, so I put some WD-40 in it and let it run for a while, and runs pretty smoothly now, I must say. This is definitely one of my favorite fans I have in my collection now. And this was not meant to be a project that I wanted to do. I just needed to change a light bulb in the light socket, and the light socket snapped, so I had to replace this with something. And I don't have any extra light sockets. I have to go and buy them so I can put one back in its spot. If my mom likes this ceiling fan here, I might keep it here. And if she does, I'll just replace it with a light socket again. It's up to her. She has the final word in this. All right. Well, that is a Sportscast Coca-Cola ceiling fan from 2000 or 1999. Thanks for watching.